I hope you're ready for an after dark clean with me. I'm just going to be cleaning up my living room, 2 living rooms, and I'm going to be washing some dishes tomorrow. I have to cook. So yeah, let's get it all done. If you needed a little bit of cleaning motivation, I'm going to do a speed cleaning. So like this video if you like it. If you're new, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Cabernet. I live in Japan. I have 2 kids, a dog, French bulldog, and a husband. So if you like videos like this and you want me to do more, please let me know in the comments and check out my other content. And keep on watching. Peace.
You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So here I am picking up all the clutter, and if you're wondering why I'm cleaning with a dress on, I just didn't change because of my earlier events that happened that day. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I insert a clip of why I'm dressed up. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like. It helps me out a lot, even in the algorithm, so other people can get this cleaning motivation. Thanks for watching, and keep on watching and cleaning as I am.
Those strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, we young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never, never, never know felt like this before. I never, never, never know felt a love like this. I never, never, never know felt like this before. I never, never, never felt a love like this. I never felt like this before. Felt like this before. Felt a love like this.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. So at the end of this video, you are going to see that I am taking pictures for Instagram. So that is why I am dressed up. If you like that type of content, feel free to follow me over on Instagram at Whitaker's Way, where I share content where I show you life in Japan. If you ever had a dream of visiting Japan and you ever come here, please hit me up on Instagram. I can definitely tell you where to stay, where to shop, and what to buy, and places to eat in Japan. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye!